Good morning, everyone. I'm proud to share that KBC delivered a strong performance in the third quarter of 2025 with a net profit of 1,002 million euros. Compared to the previous quarter, our total income rose thanks to higher net interest income, strong insurance revenues, and growing fee and commission income. Trading and fair value income, net other income, and dividend income were down, but that's expected after the seasonal peak in quarter two. Our loan portfolio grew by 2% quarter-on-quarter and 8% year-on-year. Customer deposits, excluding volatile, low-margin, short-term deposit at KBC Bank's foreign branches, remained stable quarter-on-quarter and up 3% year-on-year. Operating expenses, excluding bank and insurance taxes, were up, but stayed well within our guidance. Insurance service expenses after reinsurance were also up, but loan loss impairment charges dropped significantly. That led to a very healthy credit cost ratio of just 12 basis points for the first 9 months of the year. If you would exclude the changes in the reserve for geopolitical and macroeconomic uncertainties, then that credit cost ratio would stand at 13 basis points. Looking at the year so far, our net profit stands at 2,566 million euros, a 12% increase compared to the same period last year. Our solvency position remains strong too. At the end of September, our Basel IV unfloored fully loaded common equity ratio was 14.9%. Our liquidity position was robust, with an LCR ratio of 158% and an NSFR ratio of 134%. In line with our dividend policy, we paid an interim dividend of €1 per share on the 7th of November as an advance on the total dividend for 2025. We've also raised our full year 2025 guidance for net interest income to at least 5.95 billion euros, which comes up from 5.85 billion euros before. And for total income growth, we increased our guidance to at least 7.5%, up from 7%. KBC continues to lead the way in digital innovation. Our AI assistant, Kate, has been upgraded to offer even more natural conversations. Today, Kate resolves 7 out of 10 customer questions, and this across our core markets. With our enhanced Kate Coin program, customers can now earn and use Kate Coins across different partners, making the experience even more rewarding. Our efforts haven't gone unnoticed. Independent research agency SIA has once again named KBC Mobile the best mobile banking app in the world, for the third time in 2021, 2024 and now 2025. We're also collaborating with 8 European banks to develop a MiCAR-compliant euro stablecoin, bringing trust and stability to the fast-moving world of crypto. And we are growing. We've reached an agreement to acquire business lease in Czech Republic and Slovakia for 72 million euros. This will strengthen our leasing business in Central Europe. The deal will have an immaterial impact on our capital position and is still subject to regulatory approval and expected to close in quarter 1, 2026. To all our employees, thank you for your dedication and drive. To our customers, shareholders and partners, thank you for your trust. Together, we remain committed to being the reference in bank insurance and innovation across all our home markets.